The main goal of our coffee design project was to make the best cup of coffee using the least amount of electrical energy. Therefore, for the past couple of weeks in our lab, we have experimented with different temperatures, extraction times, and different methods of roasting and brewing coffee in our efforts to make the perfect cup of coffee. For our project, we decided to use green coffee beans, Nesca coffee roaster, a coffee grinder, water, and a French press. We decided to use the French press because we liked the full body it gave to our coffee, and we also liked how we were able to control the extraction time, which we consider an important part of the coffee making process.
Ojalá que llueva café en el campo, que caiga un aguacero de yuca y té, del cielo una harina de queso blanco y al sur una montaña de beto y miel. Oh, 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 ojalá que llueva café.
This is a flow diagram that shows the outline for a cup of coffee for the competition. Putting 100 grams of each type of bean for the coffee we are going to use, Guatemala Asantago and Burundi Kirimotaba. We picked these because we found them citrusy, a little sweet, but not overpowering. We then roasted them and added 40 grams of the Burundi and 20 grams of the Guatemalan into the French press. We also plan to use about 550 grams of water to the ground in order to produce about 500 grams of brewed coffee, counting for how much water the grounds will hold. However, this would only give us about 500 grams of brew, so we plan to do this twice in order to reach a liter. This flow diagram now shows the amount of energy we plan to use for the competition coffee. It would take about 0.17 kilowatt hours to roast both the Guatemala Asantago and the Burundi beans, and about 0.08 kilowatts to heat the water from 24 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, which we picked because it keeps the energy low, but also keeps the coffee hot enough that we can taste all the lovely flavors. The energy, however, from the grinder would be negligible.
For our coffee, we were able to achieve an aroma that was earthy and woody, and ever so slightly citrusy.
Because of our use of the French press, with our coffee we were able to achieve a really full body, which had a very velvety mouthfeel overall.
Our coffee had a citrus flavor that was lemon-like. However, the citrus flavor was not overpowering, but our coffee did have a somewhat mellow taste.
The aftertaste of our coffee was fairly light and had a smooth finish. And while our cup may not have been the winning one, we found out what we liked and had fun doing it.